we have very special day today. It's Rad's birthday. Say happy birthday to him. Yeah, happy birthday
Happy
to
birthday,
Rad.
Rad.
So
Thank
yeah.
you.
So he actually could choose what we are going to do today. So no, you can do it all the time. So he chose. What did you choose?
The Qi Viet Cong tunnels, which were used during the Vietnam War by the Viet Cong communist organization.
Yeah, so we are now waiting for our pickup. It's like 40 miles from Ho Chi Minh City. We will get transferred there and spend half of the day there. So both of us is really excited about that. So let's check it. It was 2 hours drive with really comfortable bus, so no complaint at all. Here is a map. We will spend here around 2 hours plus minus. We have a guide, so he will explain everything. So we will see. This is like the tunnel logs. They actually live here on the top, and if they need, they go down. So we came from Saigon here, and we are now here. I'm going to see the tunnel. All these buildings are actually made for tourists. It wasn't built like during the war or something. I guess we will go there later on to learn more. So it's actually in a forest, so if you need wear repellent, there is some mosquitoes.
What in the war they use to fight with the animal? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. To make the bamboo stronger, they use the fire and the smoke. And also use something else. You know, oil for the machine.
So this kind of pool was created by bomb.
They close the place. Somehow they left one souvenir under the lid. They found souvenir. It is okay. Okay. Here the tunnel now no more long by the bomb drops over there. Okay. Okay. You do like this. When you in, you know, in the wartime, the lid must be the hard one because today lots of tourists come every day. That's why like this. Then hands up and keep the lid balance. Run away. Okay. And they say like this when bomb drops. Okay, people say like this when bomb drops.
So Rad is really brave.
If they
He's
happy
trying
to
this
share,
pole.
I try to ask. Then Australian, Mexican, and also some people as a country that they are the team. That's we call the tunnel. The special force who fight in the tunnel. Yeah. Not anyone could come and fight inside, not easy.
I'm not going to try.
Australian, they say,
claustrophobic.
we won the lottery.
Not
We
easy.
came Vietnam. They say like that, eh?
So this is connection to the tunnel. They use that as a camouflage. Sniper is usually
Hiding
here.
spot.
Yeah, usually here, shooting, and then they run over there, and there is another tunnel. So they can run out everywhere. The crowd is trying that for your imagination, so you saw it.
And right at the place.
This is ventilation system for this hole where Rad was early. It's made from cement. So this cement wasn't here before. They did it because the tourists and make it safer for them. Again, you can see it's all these tunnels continue. So it's another tunnel. Actually, it's still the one. Let's continue over here.
Okay, I want to tell you, people say, gorilla uniform. Easy for up here, disappear into the dark area.
It is another air vent. You can see it's bigger. That's probably because there was many more people down there in the tunnel. During the war, US used dogs to find this tunnel because like when people were down there, dog could smell sweating, etc. So they found them. They tried to use water, like to kill people in the tunnel, but it didn't work because all these tunnels are near to river, so all water went back to the river. So here are another traps used during the war, and it's like
For fishing.
10, 6, 8 different traps.
And this in, one out. But this work inside the hole. Because under the outside, wood very strong.
If you want, you can try shooting over here. It's very noisy.
Okay, minimum, okay? But the machine one is the minimum 20 because machine very fast. Okay?
We are going inside the tunnel. I don't know. I'm not sure how I feel about that, if I want to go or not, but I will try it.
Viet Cong.
I did like half of the tunnel. Never again. No. Yeah, I think I'm claustrophobic, so yeah, definitely not for me. And probably I have a rucksack, so it wasn't a good idea. That's so tiny, really tiny. So it was definitely a good experience. Learned a lot, but yeah, I will don't do any tunnels anymore. No, it's definitely my leg is still shaking. So yeah, unfortunately not for me. But apart from that, I learned a lot, and I am glad we came here today.